What you doing here, Pumpkin? About to get the paper. What are you doing? Can't even see for the sunlight. What you doing in there, Pumpkin? There you go.